Welcome. Today I want to show you how to create your bank account on Usawa. Please kindly follow these steps. Click on banking. Then click on create new account. Select the account type, bank account, and then type the name of the bank. Let's say the name of the bank is Access Bank. And the account number is 3031 13 77 13. The next step is to select associate bank name. Now, one of the beauty of Usawa is that we have list of bank in Nigeria on Usawa. You can search for the bank name, Access Bank, and click on create. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.